Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. Well, on this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about getting something that, well, it might be on sale now, but you'll be needing it in the spring. That's gopher traps. And some of you are looking at me like, should we be getting gopher traps now? Because a lot of the garden stuff is on clearance. It's cheaper, get it now. But yeah, gopher traps is something if you're doing a garden, you want to get rid of the gophers. And some of you probably say, well, I don't have a garden. If you got a lawn and the gophers are chewing up the lawns, the flower beds and everything else, you need to get rid of gophers. All right, so gopher traps there's a variety of them now that are non-poisonous, and they kill the gopher, you dispose of the gopher, and you can reuse the trap again. There are some that it kills the gopher in the trap and you just get rid of the whole thing. You have options. So think about it. And especially if you're going to plant a garden. If you're not doing a garden, you really need to experiment and learn how to grow food. Look how expensive food is now. And if you do start growing a garden, all the stuff you're growing is going to be equivalent to the money you're saving from the store. And you want to throw that away on gophers, let them have it for free? No, you want the food for yourself and the money for yourself. All right? One other thing here several other things here before I get going. One, if you are a member of the channel, check to see what the upgrades are, because I have a new level that is called the Survivalist level. Has a lot more perks. Check it out. If you're not a subscriber to the channel, now is the perfect time to do it. And it should be down over here. YouTube keeps moving it back and forth. I think they now have it over here on this side. A little button that says subscribe. You click on it, and then you click on the down arrow, and you click all to receive notifications whenever I posted a video. Also, everybody, please give me a thumbs up. It helps me out with YouTube's analytics. And make a comment down below, positive, please. And if it plays an ad at the end, please watch that. That helps me get a few pennies and stuff so I can do my giveaways. All right? Now, if you have friends, families, relatives, coworkers, whoever, neighbors, that know that you're prepping or know that you're stocking up some items and stuff, you want them to start doing the same thing so they don't try to come to get to your stuff during a disaster. And to help you in that matter, I'm putting I'm trying to remember which side it's on here now. On this side over here, I'm going to put prepping for beginners and prepping and playlist links there to those playlists. I'm going to put a link up here to my other channel, Camp Patton Family Compound, and I will put another video down here you'll be interested in. All right? Remember, you want your friends, relatives, everybody else you know to get prepared so they don't come after your stuff, so you don't end up doing this.